So before I start sewing, I want to adhere the interfacing, which is this, I'm using a fusible, to the wrong side of my fabric. I've cut my interfacing so it's a little bit smaller than my facing. I don't want it to adhere to the iron board when I iron it. I'm going to put a press cloth over top. I'm going to dampen it by just giving it a few squirts from my sprayer, and then my iron is set on caution, and I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds, and that should adhere, melt the adhesive that's on the fabric, the tricot interfacing, adhere it to the back side of the facing. That will, it doesn't really thicken it because it's and make it stiff, but it just stabilizes it, so it's not going to be stretching out all over the place.